Hi guys, so this video is for the first grade math group. You guys are not working in your workbooks today. We are going to have a discussion and then you are going to be able to be creative and do something really fun. So for the discussion part, you guys are going to have a conference. You can have a conference with your siblings. You can have a conference with your parents. Or if you would like to, you could just write it down on a piece of paper. So I'm going to read a little bit from the math book and then we can talk a little bit more about it. So, scientists have to make decisions about how to measure fish. The lengths of different fish tell scientists something about how many baby fish and adult fish live in lakes or in parts of the ocean. Scientists are a little like us. They sometimes have trouble figuring out how to measure what they're studying. To learn how to measure better, they have conferences at which they talk about what is hard about measuring and share their ideas or tips for good measuring. You are going to share what you found hard about measuring fish, and you're also going to share tips for making good measurements of fish. So, like I said, you can write it on a piece of paper, or you can have a conference with your siblings or your parents and talk about challenges and tips. Now for the fun, creative part. You are going to create your own type of fish. So, you are going to draw it, you are going to color it in, and you are going to give it a name. And you also have to determine how long it is going to be considered a keeper. So remember back when you measured the alewives and the perches and the mackerels, they had to be a certain number of inches long to be considered a keeper. And if it did not reach that number, we had to put them back in the pond. So think about how long your keeper is going to be. I can't wait to see what kinds of fish you guys come up with.